Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Saturday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to transform a men's shirt into a sleeveless ruffle shirt. I bought this men's shirt at the thrifting store. I love the color and material of this shirt. Then I decided to get it and turn it into a new one. The final result is really cute, pretty and super comfortable to wear in summer. Hope you like my tutorial and let's try it out. Okay, let's get started. I'm starting cut off all parts of this men's shirt. You need to choose a big size, then you can easily to transform it. I already draped the button here. They are a half up front and a half up back. Alright, now I'm gonna fold the back part in half. Put the front button on it. Use clip or pin to keep it in place and cut them out. Next, I'll remove the front pocket, then put the back button on it and cut out. I'm going to cut two back panels. Okay, now I'm going to overlock all of the edges of fabric by my serger. And then at the back side, from the top, go down 13 cm, mark it there, and stitch in two back panels from there down bottom. Next, at the opening at the top of back side, I'm going to fold the fabric 1 cm inside and stitch it in place. Now, it's time to connect front and back side together at the shoulder and both sides. To cover the raw fabric at the neckline and the armhole, I'll cut some strings with 3 cm width. Because there are not enough fabric, then I have to cut some short strings and connect them together. Now, I got 3 longer strings. It's called the pious binding. I'm going to align the pious binding to the armhole and sew the way around the armhole. Then fold the pious binding over the fabric to the wrong side and sew along the edge of the pious binding. Doing that on the neckline. I'm going to trim some excess fabric at the shoulder point before fold the pious binding over. And I'm going to cut some circle elastics, fold it in half and put it between the pious binding and fabric at the back side. Then sew along on the pious binding. Moving on to ruffle, I use the rest of fabric to make the ruffle. I'll cut some fabric with 19 cm width and connect them together. Now, I'm going to fold double time to the wrong side of the fabric and sew them together at one side. Then I'm gonna gather fabric at the other side. I use a nail tool to help me gather fabric. It's really useful. And now I'm going to measure around the bottom of shirt. Then I check the ruffle fit with it and connect the end of the ruffle. Okay, let's connect the ruffle onto the bottom of shirt. And overlooking to protect the fabric. Lastly, I'm going to stick the button on the back side to finish. And here's the final result. It's super easy and simple to transform a men's shirt into a pretty and girly shirt for summer, right? Hope you like my tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!